Today in this video I show you how to put an image inside of a shape in Photoshop. For this you have to open Photoshop. Now click on new file, select or create custom page and then click on create. Now you have to add the shape you want by this icon. Now after adding the shape, you need to add the image you want to place inside it. Drag your image like this. Now you can see my image is added. Now if you want to move or reshape your image, then use this shortcut keys. You also have to make sure that the image layer is at the top. Now if you go to layer and select create clipping mask, now you can check out my image is inside the shape. Now if I double tap on shape layer and click on stroke, then I can add the stroke on my image. You can also go to file and click on export. Select export as. Now make sure you have PNG selected here and transparency on. Now if I click on export, select the folder and tap on save, you can see my image will download like this. So this is how you can put an image inside of a shape in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.